PDC bit selection. Because the PDC bit is a consumable material, whether it is used for geological exploration or drilling, the drill bit is in a consumption state, especially the drill bit for drilling will be more expendable. Therefore, it is necessary to use the low-cost principle and calculate the cost according to the hardness and drilling speed of the target material when selecting the type. The low-cost principle can better control the use cost. PDC bit is hardware widely used in machining. It is a tool for drilling through holes or blind holes in solid materials and reaming existing holes. The performance of different types of PDC bits is different. Even if they are of the same type, their structural parameters are different, which will lead to differences in performance. Therefore, the correct choice of drill model can improve the progress of drilling and reduce the cost of use. The following is to understand the principles of bit selection. 1. Low-cost principle. Principles of applicability. Different types of PDC bits can adapt to different material properties. If the selected model is not correct, even if a high-quality drill is used, there will be no ideal drilling effect. Therefore, when using the drill bit, consider the comprehensive conditions of the target to be drilled according to the applicability principle. Contact us to provide basic geological data for the project, and choose different strata according to different geology. Security principles. If there are many types of drill bits that are more applicable when using the PDC bit, the selection principle to be followed is the safety principle, because the higher the safety performance of the drill bit, the lower the chance of accidents during drilling construction, and can speed up the construction of drillers to a certain extent. The above are some basic principles of PDC bit selection. As a commonly used drill bit, different types of applications require different types. If the progress of the drilling project is expected to be smooth and safe, then during the construction process, it is necessary to choose a trusted bit to use according to the basic selection.